Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Pandora gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, head on over to pandora.net. It will redirect you to the right region of where you're from. I'm in Australia, so it's going to be au.pandora.net, but if you're in a different country, or have a starting prefix here. And now for this demonstration, I'm just going to add a random product to my checkout. So I'm just going to look for most popular rings. I'm just going to add this ring here into my cart. So now I'm going to choose the size there, and then I'm going to click on add to bag. And now what we want to do is go ahead and view your bag. This is where the magic happens. So here we are, here we're at the checkout section. And now on the checkout section, or the shopping bag here, under where it says order summary, you got an option to put in a coupon code. So go ahead and click on add, put in the coupon code there, click on apply, and then that coupon will be applied to this order, and then continue to checkout. And depending how much that coupon code was, it will minus or deduct off your total here. So if you got a coupon code for $50, the estimated total will come down to 98, and then continue to check out and put in your credit card information, or you can even check out with Afterpay to complete your purchase.